One of the biggest challenges in conveyor systems is carryback. This is the material that sticks to the belt and fails to discharge at the head pulley. Left unchecked, carryback can cause significant issues like material buildup and increased maintenance costs. Kinder's primary belt cleaners tackle this issue head-on. Installed at the head pulley, they effectively remove carryback right at the source, keeping your conveyor belt cleaner. But for a truly clean belt, secondary belt cleaners are essential. Installed further along the belt, they capture any remaining material that the primary cleaner might miss. This ensures that your belt stays clean, reducing material buildup. By eliminating carryback, we reduce spillage, lower maintenance downtime, and protect conveyors from unnecessary wear and tear. This minimises maintenance requirements and keeps your operations more efficient. Reach out to Kinder for expert guidance on choosing the ideal cleaning solution. Solve the problem of carryback and keep your operations running smoothly with the right belt cleaning system. Keeping it moving means keeping it clean.